spring. New Holland. We were a friend with the guy that helped design, an engineer that helped design the first New Holland, this new series combines. And we got Case Internationals and New Holland tractors. Then we got little loaders and tillage equipment. I just love seeing all this stuff. After being up north all winter, it's fun to see it. And here we're swinging back down through some of the, looks like spreaders and some of the tillage. I love looking at this stuff. Landau. We got mud up here. We don't want to get stuck in the mud. Maybe go over here. Here we are back going down another row, and I got the New Holland. That's a beast. That is a beast. Wow, I love the tires on it. We got a lot of New Holland stuff here. And combines and sprayers. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Love it. This feels like spring coming down here. There's a Case IH 550 and there's 3 more New Hollands. This one over here. Another big New Holland. I love it. I love it. Look at that saw stack on that bugger. Okay, so now I got the New Holland combine. Some more tractors down here. We always heard about Ellen's equipment up north, but I never thought they'd have one down here. Oh, right here, to take a little stretch break, you guys. Look at this tractor. Look at the size of this tractor. That is just awesome. That's a beast. That is a beast. I love the 4-wheel drive tractors. Love it. Having fun. Deb and I are having fun, and thought some of you would enjoy seeing what we do when we come downstate. And I love looking at the farm machinery, so we'll catch you in a couple minutes. I don't know if you can hear me from back there. Can you still get the tractor?
I'm trying, yep.
I love the tractors now with tracks. I didn't used to like them, but they're pretty cool. Second one. Wow, look how wide these tracks are. Holy cow. The problem with the tracks is these bogey wheels. And it just seems like they're part of the good and the bad about them, because from personal experience from friends, they're always repairing the bogey wheels, but they love the tractors, so they're awesome. I think they're awesome. So okay, off to the next spot. Hi guys. Our next spot is a Foss tractor and a round baler. Part of our tour today. Hope you're enjoying it. I am. I think Deb is. Are you enjoying it, Deb?
I'm loving it.
You want to put a thumbs up?
If I can find the camera. Yay!
Yay! Okay, look at this, you guys. Look at this combine. Is that crazy? Is that crazy cool? Isn't that the coolest thing you ever saw? Wow.
You're asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the coolest thing I ever seen.
You like the color, Deb?
Yeah, I do.
That is very cool. back of this tractor with the duals on it. I love the tractor too. So we're having fun, you guys. This is what Deb and I do. This is what Deb's been doing for, what, 45 years? She always looks forward to the spring when she can come down here and see all this machinery. And nothing's in the oven burning.
Oh, yay.
See you in a few minutes. We're back. We're back. There's a 12-row corn head on this class. 730 Lexion. This is a beast too, you guys. How can you not enjoy this? I hope you're enjoying it as much as Deb and I are.
Yeah, and I did the math, and
Deb said she hasn't been doing this for 45 years. She's been doing it for
48 years.
48 years, but you stayed in the car the first 3 years. You said you didn't want to do it.
No, I just wanted credit for the extra years you cut me off. That you only had like 45 years. And
So you want me to say you've been doing this for 48 years?
Yeah, probably a year before we were married.
Okay.
So 49 years.
Thanks, Deb.
You're welcome.
Okay, here's one, you guys. And then there's one over here. So Deb's going to stop it for a second. Okay, we're back, guys, looking at more cool stuff. I made a model of one of these 20 years ago, and I still love it. I still love that model that I made. Here's another Kloss. That's a 730. This was 750. This one's got the tracks. That had the tires. This is awesome. What a fun day. What a fun day getting away from our winter snow up at Gaylord and just enjoying the sunshine and enjoying being with Deb instead of being out in the workshop. Still having a lot of fun with you, Deb.
Thanks. I have fun with you too.
Just laughing and goofing off.
Yep.
We got a couple, three big blades over there. We'll go drive over there and get the blades. Okay, we're back, you guys, looking at some big blades. I probably made 15 blades for the toy tractors over the years, and I love blades. I love big push blades. Let me check this sucker out. 3,000. They're just huge. And then we got a couple smaller blades over here. One here. If I ever end up buying a real four-wheel drive tractor, it's going to have a blade on the front. Don't ask me why, because there ain't got no place to push nothing. But I love blades on big four-wheel drive tractors. So it makes no sense, but other things I do in life don't make no sense, right, Deb?
Right.
So she's used to it, right, Deb?
Right.
So,
I'm okay with it.
So anyway, guys, we're leaving the best for last. I'm sure you can guess what dealership that's probably going to be. So we'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay, we're back, guys. Guess where we are? Yeah, you guessed it. We've been saving the best for last, but this isn't last. Next to the last, and I do love the Case IH tractors, and I do love the quad track, so we got a couple more down there if you want to. Point down there real quick, Deb. You'll see a few more red ones. And here's our bogey wheels on this little different style on this one. Now, you guys, we're going one more spot, and then that'll be the end of our little tour. You know, it's fun. I love doing this. So, okay, see you in a little bit. Okay, you guys, here's our last stop for the day. We got a little mini loader, and I always wanted to buy one of these. I love my little Walden, but I would have loved to have owned a little wheel loader. But here we are, the grand finale right here, you guys, right up here. Wow. Look at this bugger. That is so cool. 9620 RX. shots from in the car. So thanks, Deb.